Now fourth question. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find the present age. Now present age. So let the present age of Rahman be x. Okay, so present age we are taking as x. So what is given? Reciprocal of Rahman's age is 3 years ago. 3 years ago his age will be x minus 3. Okay, so reciprocal of that one, that means 1 by x minus 3. Then and sum of that one plus. Okay, then 5 years from now, reciprocal of his age 5 years from now. 5 years from now he will be x plus 5 years old. Reciprocal of that one, that means 1 by x plus 5, that will be 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the equation you are getting. Now take the LCM. X minus 3, x plus 5 is the LCM. So x plus 5 plus x minus 3 by x minus 3 into x plus 5 will be equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply this one. So you will get 3 into x plus 5 plus x minus 3, that is equal to 1 into x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now open the bracket, you are getting 2x. 3 into 2x, 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, 2x minus 2. Here when you are opening the bracket, you will get x square, then plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Now open this bracket, you are getting 6x minus 6, that is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Or you take this to the side, so x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. Or you will get an equation x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. So you are getting equation like this. X square minus 4x minus 21. Now you can factorize this one using that method we have learned now, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b. So I hope you got the equation now. Directly I can write that one. Minus b means minus of 4, that is equal to positive 4, plus or minus root of b square. B square is 4 square minus 4 into ac. A is 1. So c is equal to negative 21 by 2a. 2 into 1. So it will be minus 4, that is minus and minus positive will get plus or minus 16 plus 21 into 4 you are getting, that is 84 you are getting. 84 plus 16, that is 100 by 2. So 4 plus root of 100 by 2. So you will get root of 100, we know that is 10. 4 plus or minus 10 by 2. That is 4 plus 10 by 2, or 4 minus 10 by 2. 4 plus 10 is 14 by 2, or negative 6 by 2. So numbers will be 7 and negative 3 you will get. So age will be a positive quantity. So you can take that 7 only, because negative 3, age is a positive quantity. So you have to select positive value, that is 7. Now Rahman's age will be 7 years. Okay. Then fifth one. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's mark in mathematics and English is 30. Had she scored 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. So here Shefali's marks in maths and English together is 30. So let us take her mathematics marks as X. Okay. So Shefali's mathematics in a class test, the sum of Shefali's mark in mathematics and English is 30. So here let us take that maths mark, mathematics marks. That is equal to X. So English marks will be 30 minus X. Now it is given if she got 2 marks more in mathematics. So X plus 2. Then 3 marks less in English. So 30 minus X minus 3. The product will be 210. Now X plus 2, 30 minus 3, 27 minus X, that is equal to 210. Open the bracket. 27X minus X square plus 54 minus 2X, that is equal to 210. Now take all to the side. So you will get X square, positive X square, 27 minus 2, that is 25, positive quantity. When it comes to this side, it will be negative 25X. Then plus 210 minus 54 will be equal to 0. Now 210 minus 54, 156 it will come. $156 will be equal to 0. Here B is equal to 25, A equal to 1 and C equal to 156. Now find value of x, that is equal to, x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 25, that is equal to plus 25, plus or minus b square, that is 25 square, minus 4 into 1 into 156 by 2a, 2 into 1. So here 156 into 4 now 25 plus or minus 25 square is 625 minus 624 by 2, so it will be 25 plus or minus root of 1, 625 minus 624 1 by 2, so it will be 25 plus 1 by 2 or 25 minus 1 by 2, 26 by 2 or 24 by 2, that is 13 or 12. So if you are taking maths mark is 13, you will get English mark as 17. If you are taking maths mark as 12, 18 as English mark. So two values you will get. Okay, x has two values. It will be our x is our max mark, so according to that one English marks will change. If you are taking that 13, 17 will be English mark, then if you are taking that 12, then 18 will be English marks. Now let us discuss that sixth one. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the length sides of the field. Now diagonal of the rectangular field. Rectangle, we know that length and breadth is there. So breadth we are considering as the shortest side. So let us take x as the breadth. Then what is given there? The longest side is 30 more than the shortest side. That is, this one is x plus 30. Then diagonal is 60 more than the shortest side. So diagonal when it is taken, so it is 60 more than the shortest side. We know that in a rectangle all the angles are 90 degrees. So when you are taking one part of this one, it will be a right angle triangle. For this right angle triangle, x plus 60, that side is the hypotenuse, and this is the base and this is the altitude. So apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square will be equal to altitude square plus base square. So you will get x plus 60 the whole square will be equal to x plus 30 the whole square plus x square. Okay, now solve this one. So open the bracket, you are getting x square plus 120x plus 3600, that is equal to x plus 60x plus 900 plus x square, or take this to this side. Minus 2x square then 60x minus 60x minus 900, that is equal to 0, or minus x square, 120 minus 60 plus 60x $2,700 equal to 0, or here you will get minus n. If you want, you can change, or a is equal to minus 1, b equal to 60, and c is equal to 2,700 you can take. Now find x is equal to minus b, so minus 60 plus or minus b square, that is 60 square, minus 4 into minus 1 into 2,700 by 2a, that is 2 into negative 1. So minus 60 plus or minus minus of my positive, it will come 2,700 multiplied by 4, so it will be adding this so negative 60 plus or minus, so here 144 you are getting, that means negative 2, so negative 60 plus or minus 12, 144, the root of that one 12, then double 0 is there, one more 0 you can take, minus 2, that is negative 60 plus 120 by negative 2, or negative 60 minus 120 by negative 2, or here 60 by negative 2, or negative 180 by negative 2, or negative 30 you are getting, and here 90 you are getting, negative 30 and 90. So sides will be a positive quantity, so you can take that shortest side x as 90, so longer side will be 90 plus 30, 120, and diagonal will be 90 plus 60, that is 150. Now 7th one, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So let us take the larger number as larger number be x. The square of smaller number will be, that is 8 times the larger number, so that is equal to 8x. Now first statement says that the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. So square of smaller number is this one, the larger number is x, so x square minus 8x will be equal to 180, or you are getting x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Now solve this one. X is equal to minus b, that is plus 8, plus or minus b square, that is 8 square, minus 4 into 1 into negative 180 by 2, that is 8 plus or minus 64 plus 180 into 4, 7, 20 by 2. So 8 plus or minus 784 by 2. So 8 plus or minus root of 782 84, 28. So it is 28. So 8 plus 28 by 2 you can take, 8 minus 28 by 2 you can take. So 8 plus 28, that is 30. 6 by 2, here it will come minus 20 by 2. So 18 and minus 10 you are getting. As it is two numbers, so the larger number we have taken x, that is 18. So smaller number you can find out, that is 18 into x, 8 is equal to square of that number, 18 into 8. (144), that is the square of smaller number. So smaller number will be 12. So larger number is 18 and smaller will be 12. Now eighth one.